transforming your financial fear into opportunity. If you work hard, think about money every day, and still feel fear every time you check your bank account, this message is for you. Here's the truth no one tells you. Financial fear is not your enemy. It's a signal. And if you learn how to read it, that fear can become your greatest advantage. Stay until the end, because I'll show you how the very thing that scares you right now can become the doorway to your biggest breakthrough. Don't leave. You're closer than you think. I know what it feels like to wake up with a tight chest, worrying about bills, future, security. I've been there too. Most people think fear means they're failing. In reality, fear appears right before growth. The problem isn't fear itself, it's how we've been taught to run from it instead of using it. And this is where everything starts to change. Wait, do you know the biggest lie about money you've been told? That confident people don't feel fear. That successful people are fearless. That millionaires never doubt. That's false. The difference is this: they learned how to convert fear into direction. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do the same. This is the key most people never discover. Let me tell you about Daniel. Every month felt like survival mode. Fear controlled every decision. He avoided opportunities because, what if it fails? One day, he realized something simple. Fear was pointing at what mattered most. Instead of running, he faced it. He educated himself. He took small, calculated steps. Today, fear still shows up, but now it fuels action instead of paralysis. What changed wasn't money, it was identity. Fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means pay attention. When you feel financial fear, your system is telling you it's time to upgrade skills, mindset, structure, and habits. Opportunity always hides behind discomfort. The problem is most people quit right at the door. You won't, because now you see it. Listen to me for a second. This is the most important moment of the video. If this is hitting you, smash that like button like you're breaking fear itself. Drop a comment saying, "I turn fear into power." And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that bell like you're locking in your future success. Share this video with someone who's tired of being afraid, because when you share value, life multiplies it back to you. Now stay, the breakthrough is coming. Here's what successful people understand. Fear shows you exactly where growth is required. Avoidance keeps you small. Action reshapes your nervous system. Each time you act despite fear, your brain rewires. That's how confidence is built, not by motivation, but by movement. And this leads to the biggest shift of all. Do this with me now. Put your hand on your chest. Slow your breathing. Say silently, "I am safe to grow." If you feel even a small release, that's proof your system is responding. This is how fear starts turning into clarity. You're already changing. Here's the truth. Your financial fear exists because your potential is bigger than your current reality. Fear appears when your identity is ready to expand. Once you stop fighting it, it becomes fuel. This is how fear transforms into opportunity. And now, everything connects. This isn't the end, it's the beginning. Every video on Money Mastery X is a piece of the puzzle your mind needs to build wealth with confidence, discipline, and clarity. If you keep watching, you'll feel your thinking shift, your decisions sharpen, and your future open up. Do you want money to control you, or do you want to master it? Stay here. Watch the next video. Your breakthrough year doesn't start someday. It starts now.